of this historical building is Gunungan Taman Sari. It's located at Jalan Teguh Umar dealing with location of Graveyard Dutch soldier. The building was founded in the reign of Sultan Iskandar Muda in the 17th century. Gunungan had erected by Sultan Iskandar Muda is a private playground and bathing place for his wife Putrafang from Malaysia. This whimsical architecture fantasy had access to the Sultan Palace through the traditional Pintu Aceh, used by royalty only. This building likely function is important recreational piece located in the Taman Sari Park for the Queen and other royal family members. It is quite enjoyable to visit this place during the late afternoon or sunset. Structure's history and power of love is a symbol of the Sultan Iskandar Muda to the beautiful Queen. Prince Pang or Putrafang derived from Pahang, Malaysia. In addition, Putrafang often feel lonely in the middle of the husband as head of government. She always remembered by her hometown in Pahang. The husband understands the anxiety Empress. To place the Empress, he built a small mountain as a miniature hills that surround the place Putrafang in Pahang.
Sejarahnya tak berapa tahu lagi. Apa kisah-kisah dia kan tahu lagi. Ya. Tapi so far Aceh ni tempat yang bagus lah untuk lawak pasal banyak kita lah lawak masjid-masjid yang akibat pada Islam lepas kan. Jadi amat tempat ni memang patut dikunjungi lah oleh ramai rakyat Islam terutama Malaysia.
So when India has Taj Mahal, Aceh also has Gunungan as a symbol of love. So when you visit Aceh, don't forget to make yourself as a stopover in this love park. See you.
Welcome to wonderful